Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add and remove SD card from a GoPro Hero 11 Mini. And to do this we'll need to open a slot right here, and inside on the right side we can insert our SD card. So it should fit like this. Now use your fingernail to click it into its place. Like that. And to remove it you can also use a fingernail or something thin that you can fit inside, and click on it again, and now we can remove it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.